Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue exercise 12.1. So let's start with question number 11. A book is 22 centimeter in length, 15 centimeter wide, 2.8 centimeter thick. There are 5 similar books placed on top of each other. What is the volume taken up by all? So what is given in this question? A book is given whose dimensions are 22 centimeter length, 15 centimeter wide and 2.8 centimeter thick. You all know that the shape of book is cuboid, whose length, breadth and height is given in this question, and 5 similar books are placed upon each other. So when you find the volume of one book and multiplying the volume of one book with 5, you will get the volume of 5 books. So let's start the solution. A book is in the shape of cuboid, we all know. Now the length of book is 22 centimeter. I have denoted it by the length by small l. Breadth of book, I have denoted it by b. It is given that it is 15 centimeter wide. Wide means the width. Width means the breadth of book is given as 15 centimeter. And the thickness of book is given. 2.8 is the thickness. Thickness means the height of book is 2.8 centimeter. So we have to find the volume of one book. Volume of one book will be equal to length into breadth into height. As we all know that the book is in the shape of cuboid. Now when we multiply these numbers, in place of L I have put 22, for breadth 15 and for height 2.8. When we multiply these numbers, we will get 924 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of one book, and we have to find the volume of 5 books. So multiplying the volume of one book by 5, we will get the volume of 5 books, and the answer is 4620 cubic centimeter. Now students, we will do question number 15 of exercise 12.1. The question is, the area of room is 21 square meter. If the height is 5 meter, find the volume of air in the room. So we all know that the room is in the shape of cuboid. Now what is given? The area of room is 21 square meter. It means the area of floor of room is given, and the floor of room is having length and the breadth. And what else is given? The height of room is given. You have to find the volume of air in the room. The volume of air which can be filled in this room will be equal to the volume of this room. So let's start the solution. We know that the room is in the shape of cuboid. The area of floor of room is 21 square meter. The area of base or area of floor of this room is 21 square meter. The height of room is 5 meter. Height is 5 meter. How will you find the volume of the room? As the room is in the shape of cuboid, so the volume of room will be equal to length into breadth into height. But what is given here? They have not given us length and breadth. They have given us the area of floor of room. It means they have given us the product of length and breadth. So how will we find the volume of room? That will be equal to area of floor of room multiply height of room. So 21, area of floor of room is 21 and the height of room is 5. So when we multiply area of room by 5 by height, that is 5, we will get the volume of room, that is 105 cubic meter. So the volume of air in room will be equal to 105 cubic meter. Now students, we will start question number 14 of exercise 12.1. A Tetra Pak of milk is 9 centimeter wide, 13 centimeter in length and 24 centimeter in height. If a baby drinks 1/3 of milk, what is the volume of milk left in the pack? Give answer in liters and milliliters. So student, a Tetra Pak is given. Length, breadth and height of Tetra Pak is given. It means the pack is in the shape of cuboid. So we can easily find the volume of this Tetra Pak. Now what else they have given? If a baby drinks 1/3 of milk, it means the amount of milk drank by baby is 1/3. What is the volume of milk left in the pack? So how will we find the leftover milk? We will find the volume of this Tetra Pak, which is in the shape of cuboid. We will find the 1/3 of milk drank by the baby and subtracting the total milk by 1/3 of milk, we will get the volume of milk left in the pack. And we have to give the answer in liters and milliliters. So let's start the solution first. The Tetra Pak of milk is in the shape of cuboid. Now the length of pack is 13 centimeter, width of pack is 9 centimeter and height of pack is 24 centimeter. I have written the short form: L for length, B for small b for width or breadth, and small h is for the height of the Tetra Pak. So first of all, we will find the volume of Tetra Pak. Volume of Tetra Pak will be length multiply breadth multiply height. 13 into 9 into 24, that will be equal to 2808 centimeter cube. Now the milk drank by baby is 1/3 of the volume of the Tetra Pak. So we will multiply the total volume by 1/3. After multiplying it, we will get the answer as 936 cubic centimeter. Now you have to find the volume of milk left in pack. How will you find? You will subtract the volume of milk drank by the baby from the total volume. Total volume was 2808 and the milk drank by baby is 936. When you subtract it, you will get 1872. This is the amount or the volume of the milk left in the pack. Now you have to give the answer in liters and milliliters, but we are having the answer in cubic centimeter, so we will convert it in liters. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. It means 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1/1000 liter. So 1872 cubic centimeter will be equal to 1872 divided by 1000. So we will get 1.8. This 0 will be given to this 2, this 0 will be given to this 7, 0 will be given to this 8, and this in place of this 1 you will put the decimal. The same way we have done in the decimal chapter. So we will get 1.872 liters of milk left, or we can write it as 1 liter 872 milliliter of milk left in the pack. Now student, let's start question number 13 of exercise 12.1. Question number 13 is, a water tank is 5 feet high, 10 feet in length and 7 feet wide, placed on the roof of the house. A solid brick of length 4 feet, breadth 2 feet and height 1 feet is sitting at the bottom of tank. This tank is filled completely with water. What is the volume of the water tank? See what is given in this question. एक वाटर टैंक है जिसको हाउस के रूफ पे रखा गया है. ये किस शेप में होती है वाटर टैंक? क्योंकि लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ और हाइट दे रखा है, इट मीन्स जो वाटर टैंक है इज इन द शेप ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. इस क्यूबॉइड वाटर टैंक के अंदर एक ब्रिक है जिसके भी लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ और हाइट दे रखा है. इट मीन्स जो ये जो सॉलिड ब्रिक होगी वो भी एक क्यूबॉइड की शेप में होगी. एंड नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड, आपने ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि इस टैंक में कितना पानी आ सकता है. सो हाउ विल वी डू इट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट सी दिस. ये जो सॉलिड स्मॉल ब्रिक है वो क्या है? सॉलिड है. इसके अंदर पानी नहीं आ सकता. सो हाउ विल वी डू इट? हम सबसे पहले वी विल फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर टैंक एंड वी विल फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस स्मॉल ब्रिक. अब क्योंकि इस ब्रिक में पानी नहीं आ सकता तो हम what we will do, we will subtract the volume of this small solid brick from the volume of the water tank, and we will find the volume that can be filled, or the water that can be filled in this water tank. So let's start. For the water tank, length, breadth and height is given. Length is 10 feet, breadth is 7 feet and height is 5 feet. I have denoted the length by L, breadth by B and height by H. So the volume of water tank will be length into breadth into height, that is 10 multiply 7 into 5. So we will get 350 cubic feet. Now we will find the volume of this solid brick. The length of brick is 4 feet, breadth of brick is 2 feet and height of brick is 1 feet. So as the brick is in the shape of cuboid, its volume will be length multiply breadth multiply height, that is equal to 4 multiply 2 multiply 1. When we multiply it, we will get 8 cubic feet. Now we have to find how much water can be filled in this tank with the solid brick at the bottom of this water tank. So how we will find? We will subtract the volume of this solid brick from the volume of total tank. So volume of water in tank is equal to volume of water in water tank minus volume of solid brick. So 350 minus 8, we will get the answer as 342 cubic centimeter. Cubic feet, because all the dimensions are in feet. Now student, let's start question number 12 of exercise 12.1. A rectangular aquarium tank fish tank with a base area 200 centimeter square is filled with water to height of 15 centimeter. If the tank has a total height of 20 centimeter, how much water should be added to it to fill it completely? Give answers in liters. So, what is given in this question? One fish tank is there, and we know that the fish tank is in the shape of a cuboid. What else is given? The tank has the base area. Base area is 200 centimeter square, and the total height of the tank is 20, but the water is filled at the height of 15. What you have to find? How much water should be added to it to fill it completely? कितना पानी और आ सकता है इस टैंक में so that इसको पूरा ऊपर तक ये वाटर टैंक भर जाए? तो how we will do this question? हम सबसे पहले we will find the volume of this tank when the height is 20, and we will find the volume of the tank when the height is 15. जब हमारे पास वॉल्यूम आ जाएगा जब हाइट 20 होगी, और वॉल्यूम आ जाएगा जब हमारे पास हाइट 15 होगी, तो टोटल हाइट में से, टोटल वॉल्यूम में से अगर वॉल्यूम हम सबट्रैक्ट कर दे जब हाइट 15 होगी, then we will get the amount of water that can be filled in the remaining tank. So let's start the solution. To find volume when height is 15 centimeter. When the height is 15 centimeter, the base area will remain same. Whether we are finding the volume with height 20 centimeter or whether we are finding the volume with height 15 centimeter. So the area of base of fish tank is 200 centimeter, height of fish tank 15 centimeter. So volume of fish tank when height is 15 centimeter will be equal to area of base multiply height. Area of base is 200 multiply 15. That is equal to 3000 centimeter square. Now to find the volume when height is 20 centimeter. The area of base of fish tank will remain same, that is 200 centimeter square, and we are taking the height as 20 centimeter. So volume of fish tank when height is 20 centimeter will be equal to area of base multiply height. Area of base is 200 and the height is 20. When we multiply these two numbers, we will get 4000 centimeter square. Now we have to find how much more water can be filled in the tank. So how we will do? We will subtract the volume when height is 15 from the volume of tank when the height is 20. So amount of water to be added to fill the tank completely is equal to volume of tank when height is 20 minus volume of tank when height is 15 centimeter. So when the height is 20, the volume was 4000, and when the height is 15, the volume was 3000. When we subtract it, we will get 1000 centimeter cube. As you have to give the answer in liters, and we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So the volume of tank or volume of water to fill the tank completely will be 1 liter.